Oh. Hello everybody! Hey everybody, welcome to the third week of the weekly recap. This is the episode and series that I go over my portfolio. You can't measure what you don't track, so I measure it every single week.
Except for last week. Last week I did not. I got lazy or something like that. I can't really quite remember. But we are back at it this week, and I am about to go over that. So let's go ahead and hop into it.
All right, so the way I'm going to be doing this moving forward is I'm going to break this down into three categories. I'm going to go over my retirement accounts, then I'm going to be going over my opportunity fund, and then I'm going to be going over any outstanding debt that I have. And then, yes, I'm going to be discussing what the total difference is between my previous week and this week. So without further ado, hopping into the retirement accounts, my Roth IRA, which has a max of $6,000 per year, right, has $8,400, $8,406 in it, and that is up from $8,238 of the previous week. So a couple $100, nothing to write home about there, but I mean, in just a week's time, it's not too bad, I guess, right? Back at it. Okay, so my Roth 401k is at $59,822. That is up from $59,521. So not a crazy huge difference there. Adding up both my retirement accounts are up a total of $669. My equity in the house, me and my wife's equity in the house stayed the same, $85,052. That remained the same because we never made a house payment quite yet. We will be here soon. The emergency fund is up from $1,000 to $1,200. So I got an extra $200 in there this week. This one, our plan between me and my wife, our plan is to get this to 3 months of expenses. So we're thinking around $9,000. We do spend more than $3,000 a month, but as far as an emergency fund goes, we might need to cut back on specific things if something were to happen. So we think $9,000 is enough to start, but we're trying to get that up to around $18,000 to $20,000 just in a longer time frame. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into the opportunity fund. The opportunity fund is where I hold gold, silver, physical silver, and I hold cash. Now, what's so cool about an opportunity fund is the opportunity fund is kind of just sitting there waiting around for an opportunity. So if the housing market really takes a dive, or if I see some really good values in the stock market, I can then move some of those funds into other assets. The opportunity fund is where I research other investments or other assets, and I make really educated investments into those pieces when they become available. I still have the same amount of gold and same amount of silver, 4 ounces of gold, 500 ounces of silver. And then I have the same amount of cash, $6,500. Now this last week though, gold is up like $65 and silver's up pretty good too. So my opportunity fund, without doing anything, this is just gold and silver, physical and cash, it's up $657. That's pretty much the same amount as my retirement account. So that's pretty cool how that played out. Next on the list is debt. So debt, I have the mortgage debt, right? Me and my wife have the mortgage debt. That's remaining the same. We're still at $314,000.
$314,900.
Oh my gosh.
I can't say large numbers. $314,948. Oh. If it's that big, like, it's not good to have. The next is my credit card. The credit card is down $500. I made a big payment there. I typically make $500 to $1,000 payments every time I get paid. So that's just getting wiped down tremendously. It was at $16,000 originally, and that was just like 2 or 3 months ago. And now it's down to $10,500. So yeah, it's moving pretty quickly. So for the totals for this week, we are up, I should actually say technically 2 weeks because I didn't track last week. So for the last 2 weeks, I am up $1,826. So an average of $900. Not too bad, actually. That's pretty good. The total now net worth is $167,000.
Oh my gosh, I cannot say big numbers for the life of me.
167,500.
Oh my gosh.
Just gonna wait here until it hits my head. $167,552.
Wow.
Holy moly, that took me a long time to say. Okay, so that is it for the weekly recap. I will be back next week and hopefully with some good results, I guess, right? Sheesh. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.